Hi, it's Angela from North Carolina, and I'm making a delicious chutney cheese grilled sandwich. I got a really good mango chutney. Mango's really the best. The sweetness is so good with the cheese. And I've already got my panini bread heated up. Of course, you can make this on your regular grill, but I like the way it forms the pockets. So I'm putting some melted butter for the outsides to go on the machine. And don't be afraid of it, because it makes it a real pretty golden brown. If you've never used a little sandwich machine like this, they're fabulous. This one's probably 25 years old, but it still works. So my butter's on there, so I'm going to flip them over, and I'm going to add cheese on both sides, and my chutney's going to be in the middle, and I'm using a white cheddar. You can use mozzarella, just whatever kind of cheese that you prefer. And this is so good. Like I said, of course, you can make it in your regular grill, on top of your regular grill. So I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoons of chutney on it, and then I'm going to pop it in the machine. I also have made this with onion chutney, which is really good too. And you don't want to get too much chutney, but you want to make sure that you can get that good chutney taste. So let me close her up. And I'm going to put it in my machine with my greasy fingers on one side of the bread. So I turn it that way. And I'm going to close it up. Isn't that beautiful? I wish you could smell it. If you're ever at Goodwill, you could check in the back where the kitchen things are. I've seen these sandwich makers for as low as $5. And kids love them. They think it's so fun. But look how everything's just oozing out. It kind of reminds me of some sandwiches they do at Panera Bread. So this is really a good take on a grilled cheese sandwich when you add the mango chutney to it. I think you'll like it. Bye-bye.